Okay, hi, mabuhay. Welcome back to the adventures of Mr. Chubils, and as always, I am Victoria. Okay, today is going to be another unboxing video. Um, some of you did ask, like, how do I get things delivered from the US? Aside from my sister, there's this company that's MyUS is a shipping forwarding. How do you call it? Forwarding shippers, shipping forwarding. I'm not so sure, but it's myus.com. So I bought myself a few birthday presents for myself. So if you want to see what I actually purchased, and let's do some traditional unboxing, stay tuned, keep on watching, and let's get started. Okay, if you hear anything at the background, it's because hubby is in the room with us, and I think he's watching videos, which I actually don't mind. But yeah, just in case. Or I don't know whether he's sleeping or not. Okay, so MyUS, actually they do deliver, I think worldwide. It depends on which country. I'll check their... That's thunder. Oh my goodness. So, I did purchase from two companies from the US. Because if my sister is busy or I want to get things like ASAP, I would use MyUS. Because there are some companies in the US, they don't deliver directly to Singapore. Um, yeah, so let's open it up. It actually came together in this big box, and it was delivered by FedEx, I think. So, oh my god, this is like a traditional unboxing. You know why? Because I haven't done this for the longest time, and I didn't even prepare myself. So they would have this um, invoice at the front, wherein they would actually show you what are the different items that you have purchased and the merchandise total. And they even have the signature of the person who actually packed this. Ouch! And the date. And this is how it looks like when you open it up. Can you see that? Okay, so let's remove all this. So they actually took it out from the box. I think I did. I did give them instructions to take it out from the box that it actually came in. So I bought several items, and again inside there's this sheet wherein, yeah, so I bought things from Wet and Wild. It's the Bretman Rock collaboration with Wet and Wild. I know Bretman Rock is acquired taste, but I love him, so I got this. So pretty. I think I can do this as a bag. So this is a free when you do purchase something from Wet and Wild. Okay, so they did package it. So I'll be doing a video of me using this. I did get the brushes. Can you see that? I'm going to make a mess of my table. I don't use highlighters that often, but I did get the highlighter. Happy birthday. I did get the mascara and one of the lip glosses. Can you see how pretty? It's Jungle Rock, and then you see the thing. Oh my goodness. And of course, I also got the facial mist. This is how it looks like. Okay, it didn't. How can it be this a facial mist. Can you see that? I would not dare put that on my face. Maybe for my body. Is it a facial mist? Oh. Okay. No, I would not put this on my face because it's like, nope. It's sticky. Okay. No. And of course, can you see this? It's a collector's item. And when you open the sleeve, and then it doesn't have a mirror, but this is how the colors actually look like. Okay, I know it's not my colors, but hi Victoria. Let's do a look one of these days, and not now, but okay, I love this. Happy birthday. And one of my favorite brand of all time is I also got something from Physicians Formula. So they packed it like this, which is cool. Physicians Formula did have a sale when I purchased this. I think it was like 30% off, and some were actually on sale, like, and then you get additional 30%. I can't even remember, did I? Oh, okay. So I got this baby butter box from Physicians Formula, and it did has the bronzer, the blush, which I also love. Highlighters, not so much, so I think I'll pass this, but I want to use their eyeshadows. And the exclusive shade of their MURUMURU butter bronzer, and they have this next is the MURUMURU butter limited edition lip glosses. Is it a lip gloss? Lip butter lip cream, and it also has the sleeping mask. So there's 3 of them, and yeah, so that's one. Oops. And the next one is this one. I've always wanted to get this one, but then it was not available in Amazon, so I was not able to get it. But yeah, I was able to get it now because I use MyUS. And this is how it looks like. So again, it has the butter bronzer, the blush, highlighter, and eyeshadow. It has a lip, and okay, Victoria, take off the plastic. So, oh, I just love the smell of butter bronzer. So let's close this because I'm not going to use it yet. Let's put it there. Oh, it has the Butter Paradise perfume. Oh, I like the smell. Okay, I'm going to use this. So that's everything that I purchased from the US, and using MyUS.com to actually have it shipped in Singapore. So what I think about their service is, okay, you just have to wait for a few days when it gets delivered because they need to consolidate everything. But when they do say that it's going to leave on a certain day at their facility, and then you're actually updated when you're going to receive your package, so you can actually ask for somebody's help to actually receive it for you. I'll put everything at the descriptions at the description box. And no, because I broke my nail now, so I'll leave everything at the description box so you would know if you want to use MyUS. I think even in the Philippines they do deliver. So is it cheaper if you do buy something from the US and they're on sale, even though you top up the price price of your shipping, it is still way cheaper than buying from resellers, or yeah, it's still cheaper. So that's it. So I'll end this video now. So what is your favorite US brands? Let me know in the comment section. Have you tried MyUS, or what shipping forwarding company do you actually use? And yeah, so if you forget which one of the items that I unboxed you actually want to see me do first, like do a first impression. Maybe with the eyeshadows I will do a first impression, but yeah, the rest is like I'm not so sure. So if you like this type of video, give this video a big thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos at least once a week. So till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet. Bye!